Okay, so I figure this might work as a better way of marking out. Right, let's find out if that works. Okay, so I'm about to cut two front pieces, but they're going to be flipped. So I've got to make sure I don't cut the bevel because there's a 15-degree bevel on it. I don't cut it the wrong way. It's going to be that way. Okay, so I'm just about to cut these pieces here. These are the front pieces, but they're actually going to fit over there, so they're going to flip over. So I've got to make sure I don't cut this bevel the wrong way. It's got a 15-degree bevel on, so I'm going to have to think about that. So I've put these in because my little brain is going to get confused. So here's my little sticks to make sure I don't mess this one up. Right, this is the moment of truth. Yep. That's beveled the right way. Okay, one more front piece, and I'm gonna chop the nose bits off those and we'll fit them together. Right, one more front piece to cut. Right, now I've got two of those to cut. See if I can get the bevel right on that one. Right, this one needs to be 15 degrees in the opposite direction. Okay, so I'm going to do figure out the overlapping joint thing. There we go, not too shabby. Next step, I've still got to cut some more pieces along the sides. Fill in a couple of gaps here. cut some more bits of that, more bits than this, and then it's going to be pinning it all down and drawing the edges and working out exactly where everything's going to go, and then a lot of gluing and clamping and weighting. Okay, but that's for tomorrow.